And welcome to the video. In today's video, we're talking about how you can like a post on Facebook. So let's dig into it. First, go to facebook.com. And when you click here, you can see this is the feed in the middle. This is what your friends and people you follow, and there's sometimes ads here as well. This is known as the feed. And if you go to a post that you read and you like, this is from a group, Family Lowdown Tips and Ideas, that my friend Claire started. It's a very large group, actually. I think there's about 1 million people in it. Oh, wow. 1.2 million people. Anyway. And there's a post here talking about her child, and blah, blah, blah. You know, it's kind of cool. You can expand it by clicking see more and you can read it. Not going to read it now, but if you want to like it, all you have to do is scroll down past the main body of the text and go down. And there's a little icon here that says like. And there's other emoticons, I think they're called. You can click. But to like it, you scroll over to the blue icon and click like. And if I want to click this, there you go. This icon now goes blue. And you've liked that post. And the way you know that you've liked it is it also says you. Under all the people that have liked the post, you actually come up. And if you want to check, you can unlike it by clicking unlike. And now you don't appear in this list here. So my name is Jake. If I like this, it will say you. You can hover over and you can see Jake is in the list here. So I'll just show you another one. I used to work for Workplace and now work for WhatsApp at Meta. Anyway, I'll just like this. There we go. So you and 33 others like this post. Let's do one more. My friend Zishana. Click like. You and 40 others. So the icon goes blue and you can see that you're in the list. And that's how to like a video on Facebook. I hope that helps. Cheers.